Majesties, Prime Minister Lord Tui Vakano and members of the Ministry, members of Parliament, members of the Judiciary, many other dignitaries here from Kingdom of Tonga, members of the Pacific Mission that have travelled from New Zealand, including the group of parliamentarians. Can I welcome all of you here today and say how grateful my delegation and I are for the reception that we have received. Your Majesty, we had hoped when we set off on this Pacific mission that we would receive a warm welcome here in Tonga, and we most certainly have received that. We had not expected that you would cancel your Parliament for a day for this occasion, but can I, on behalf of my colleagues, thank you for the significant honour that you bestow upon us by indeed putting aside the proceedings of the Parliament for a day and for attending this ceremony in such numbers. It is not difficult to understand why the New Zealand government wanted to support this project. We live in an age in which climate change dominates the agenda of virtually every international conference. And the most practical and meaningful step that can be taken to deal with the challenge of climate change in this region is to replace fossil fuels with renewable energy. But environmental considerations are not the only reason we wanted to support this project. We also live in an age in which every small Pacific economy is being suffocated by the cost of imported diesel. And this is the sort of project that will meet that challenge. So the New Zealand government was pleased when participating in the Tonga Energy Roadmap discussions to put up its hand and say that we would fund this first project that was part of that roadmap. Our objective was to, through this project, meet 15% of the daytime load for electricity, 4% of the total load. We wanted to see a significant reduction in the emissions of carbon monoxide. We also wanted to see a significant drop in electricity prices, and as the Honourable Clive Edwards has told us, we're going to see that over the coming months, but that is just the first instalment. I think it is fair to say that we should be very pleased to have reached this important milestone today, but I want to suggest to you that this milestone should not be a cause for complacency, but rather a cause for ambition. The target set by the government of Tonga is to achieve 50% of electricity through renewable generation, and that is the target in which we as a partner of Tonga wish to participate in achieving success. Prime Minister, it is fair to say that this project has had its share of challenges, and that is something that many of us have reflected upon in recent days. But it is also a fact that this is the first project of this scale, of this type, within the region. And if it was so easy, then everybody else would have done it first. So I want to congratulate today the Government of Tonga for the leadership that it has shown. Tonga is a board member of IRENA, the International Renewable Energy Agency, and the Government of Tonga has shown itself as a leader in the renewable electricity field in the Pacific. So it says a good deal about your government, Prime Minister, that you have made this leadership happen, and I want to commend you for it. Can I suggest to my New Zealand colleagues that I hope this project says something about the New Zealand brand as well, We do not have the biggest chequebook in the development community, but I hope that we do have the capacity to get things done, and particularly within this region. I hope we have the capacity to get things done. And so I want to give my congratulations to all of those involved in this project, to those involved in Tonga Power and in Meridian Energy, to the number of contractors from New Zealand whose expertise played a part in bringing this project to fruition. And can I again say this is a significant step, but it is only a first step. There is a significant journey that lies ahead to meet that target of 50% renewable, and the New Zealand Government will be there with you as your partner every step along the way.